Now, I'm no baker or candlestick maker, but I can dress up dessert with a homemade touch. The easiest way to make something store-bought, special, or to dress up the simplest dessert is with homemade whipped cream. Now let me tell you that once you see how ridiculously easy and ridiculously delicious this is, you won't ever buy whipped cream in a can again. And you won't feel guilty about buying cake from the grocery store for your fancy dinner party either. There are a few tricks to getting this whipped cream just right, and you have to start with cold ingredients, including the bowl. I put the bowl and whisk in the fridge for about 30 minutes before I start making the cream. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add the cold whipped topping and sugar to the cold bowl and beat on medium speed for about 10 seconds to incorporate the sugar into all the cream. Then add in the vanilla and continue to beat on high for about 3 to 5 minutes. You don't want to walk away from this process because you don't want to overbeat your cream. You'll go from sweet whipped cream to sweet cream butter. So stick close by and check on your cream. You'll know your whipped cream is ready when you flip the whisk upside down and the cream sticks to the whisk, but the peak slumps over slightly. You can add this whipped cream to a bowl of fresh berries, pound cake, ice cream, key lime pie, or any kind of pie. But when I'm feeling like something really special, I'll add a tablespoon of Gran Marnier to the cream in addition to a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. The Gran Marnier makes it adult friendly and gives a hint of orange taste that is excellent with chocolate desserts like chocolate mousse and chocolate pudding. You don't have to be a great pastry chef to take something that's ordinary and make it extraordinary. All you need are 3 ingredients and a little bit of planning. It's so easy that you can make your whipped cream right in front of your guests right before you bring out the dessert. It will be like you're doing magic in front of them. And when they taste your fresh whipped cream, it will taste like love at first bite. For more tips and recipes and entertaining ideas, check out my website, biteswithapplewhite.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss an episode.